Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to reset your Acura TL's oil life indicator. This is a simple process you can do yourself after an oil change. First, get into your vehicle and insert the key. Turn the ignition to the on position, which is usually position 2, but do not start the engine. This ensures all the necessary electrical systems are active and ready for the next steps. Now look at your dashboard, specifically the instrument panel. You'll find a small button labeled Select/Reset. This button is key to navigating through your vehicle's information. Gently press this button several times until the display shows your current engine oil life percentage. It might show something like 20% or 0% if it's due for a reset. Once you see the oil life percentage on the display, it's time to initiate the reset. Press and hold that same Select/Reset button down firmly. Keep holding it for about 10 seconds. You'll notice the oil life percentage display will start to blink. This blinking is your signal that the system is ready to accept the reset command, so keep holding it steady. Almost there. After the display starts blinking, release the Select/Reset button briefly. Then, immediately press and hold it down again for another 5 seconds. This second hold confirms your intention to reset. The oil life display will then change to 100%, indicating a successful reset. You've now completed the process and are good to go.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.